What is a seam allowance? So here we can see we have got a line of straight stitches, and this has created us a seam because it has sewn two pieces of material together. A seam allowance is the space between the line of stitches and the edge of the material. Depending on the pattern you are sewing will depend on the amount of seam allowance that you are required to leave. And basically the line of stitches is just used to neaten up the edge of the material, because this can obviously fray and that could cause an issue. Or if it's too close to the edge, if you was to pull it apart, then the seam would come open and it would ruin your project. On the throttle plate of sewing machines there are lines and they normally have measurements on. My sewing machine doesn't, but sometimes it will say like 1/4 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch, an inch. If it doesn't, then you can buy a small sewing guide like this one, where you can measure by placing it under the presser foot where the needle will go into the machine, and then you can use the lines then to gauge the size of the seam allowance that you require. And if you needed to, then you could buy a seam allowance guide that will pop onto your machine, or you could put masking tape on your machine as well, and that will allow you to keep within that seam allowance. So that's why it's really important to take a good look at your sewing patterns when you are doing your sewing projects. See what size seam allowance it recommends and sticking to it, because that will make you the perfect project. Some patterns will also require you to open up the seam allowance and iron it flat to give you a perfect seam as well. So make sure you read the pattern properly. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.